Hello YouTube, Red to Green here again with another recap. Today is March 18th, 2022, and it's a decent day. I really didn't want to stay up that late, but I had the psychological number that I just reached, so I'm happy. I'm done, And by the way, it's a definitely a green week for me. I'm happy. Barely green week, That Tuesday was $1.45 gain, so pretty much a break-even day, but nonetheless, it's still green week, so I'm pretty happy. And that's the first Friday I'm green in a while. It's been 3 weeks since I had a green Friday, so I'm pretty happy about that. Hopefully you guys did really well. PIK gave some good momentum today as well. Also, what was the other stock? STNE. Those are pretty much the two stocks that I try to trade today, and PIK gave me the majority of the gains. So anyway, don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to hit the like button if you like the recaps. And PnL is coming up. So $103.42. Traded 5 stocks, and I'm up about $100 on PIK, $91.66, and GROM $15, and IMPP I lost $6. So, and break even on STNE. Let's go into the PIK. Look at this, it's pushing into that resistance of 65. So interesting. The majority of the money were made again in the first 5 minutes of the market open, first 10 minutes of the market open. That stock, that's actually, and that's where I made $100 right off the bat. First 2 minutes, first 3 minutes of the market open, right into that 650. I got in at the break of 82.85 into that 650, and I was up $100. And then what happened is I sold, and then I started buying a pullback, and I was buying pullback at 620, 630, and unfortunately it was continue going down, and it broke 6 into the 590, and that's where I sold. So I lost 40 cents, and then I gained 40 cents. So I was break even again. It was really frustrating, and I guess it's like hindsight 2020 right now. You can tell, it's like, oh, why did I do this? Well, at that time that's what it felt like. The weakness of the stock. I didn't want the stock to flush down more. And I was kind of continue trading and scalping this momentum up, and I was up about maybe $40, $20 on it, and then I was just kind of scalping the momentum every time I saw a pop or whatnot. And unfortunately there were drops just like yesterday, so I had to watch out for that. And I kind of sized down. I didn't trade a large share size this time around, and I just said, you know what, I have $100 goal that I need to reach. I for a long time I set at $80 for $60, and then that PIK did. I was actually anticipating the same momentum pop as we had yesterday. That you remember the power hour for PIK, it kind of went up. So I was actually anticipating, it's like, okay, when did people think is going to go up? When do they think is going to go up? So, and we saw a little volume pop. I'm sure that's not the end of it. We still have 30 minutes until the power hour. But we'll see what happens. But I'm definitely done trading. I'm happy. I'm at my psychological goal of $100, so I'm good. That was PIK. So STNE was another one. STNE actually did really good at the beginning, and I tried to trade this break into the 360, 370, 390 into the 14, and it never gave that. And the thing is with STNE, the moves up are not really that's significant in terms of moves down, right? And that's where I kind of struggled with STNE. And STNE was very choppy, in a sense where it was the micro flushes, and I bail out really fast on the micro flush, and that's exactly what STNE was giving me. The micro flushes that just basically filtered me out an entire move, right? And STNE, I'm break even. There were setups at the beginning, just like PIK, and the majority of the move happened the first 15 minutes of market open, and I just didn't capitalize. I didn't. GROM was also on the watch, and PIK kind of took my attention, and STNE took my attention, and GROM, there were some pops here into the VWAP and stuff, but again, small share size. No, actually I used the large share size because it's a $1.50 stock at that time, and I think I traded this breakout into that 60 into the 63. So, and that was like maybe 3 cents. 3 cents gain on that stock was 500 shares. That's how I got to $15. So, pretty happy on that. That's the major hitters for me. IMPP, I actually attempted to trade, and it just proved like there were no volume, and you saw that pre-market pop, and I thought it was going to continue into that break of 3, and it never happened. It just flushed, and I was like, you know what, I'm done with you. So anyway, that's pretty much the day for me. $103. I'm happy to end the week green. You know, it's definitely been a roller coaster for sure. March's been crazy for me. It's definitely one of the slowest months for me in a while. I don't know if I can sustain the slow market like this, because you got to pay bills, right? I know some people did really good. Unfortunately, that was not my case. And hopefully you guys are staying green and staying afloat in this market. It's been definitely a wild ride. It's up and down, but hopefully at the end of the day you're break even or green. That's the goal, right? That's the goal for everybody. But anyway, guys, have a good weekend, and let's talk on Monday. Come join me on the live stream every day at 9:15. Talk to you later.